everyone, and welcome to a new session of clinical pharmacology and clinical research. And we will continue our medical terminology. And today we are going to speak about prefixes part 2. I am Dr. Khalid Hassan, a professor of clinical pharmacology and clinical research. So as you can see here, we have three major parts. The first one will be general organ prefixes. Then we have neck and thoracic organ. Then we have abdominal organ prefixes. For the general organ prefixes, we have list of prefixes there like hemio, cevalo, serv, thoraco, abdomino, perton and derm, neuro, hemo, arterio, and so on. Regarding the neck thoracic organ, we have thyro, tracheo, esophago, thymo, masto, and less of medication related to the abdomen. Organ prefixes gastro, hepato, cholecysto, spleno, pancreato, and so on. Okay, moving to the general organ prefixes, the first part here, you can see we have hemio or hemo, referred to the blood, arterio, angio, referred to the arteries, veno or vena, referred to the veins or venous structure. We have fasciculo, referred to the fascicular or blood vessels, musculo, referred to the muscles, myo and sarco, referred to the muscles and muscular tissues, skeleton, referred to the skeleton or bones, osteo, referred to the bones, cyto or site, referred to the cells or cellular structure. Hemio, referred to the body or maintaining balance. Cevalo, referred to the head. Serv, referred to the neck. Thoraco, referred to the chest. Abdomino, referred to the abdominal region. Belvo or belvi, referred to the pelvis. Perton, referred to the peritoneum. Derm, referred to the skin, dermatology. Then we have neuro, referred to the nerves. Okay, so we'll start with every prefix and some explanation and some example and the meaning. For example, we start with the hemo here. Hemo refer to the blood. Example for hemo, hemoglobin. The hemo mean blood, globin the kind of protein. So here we talk about hemoglobin. It's a protein in the blood cells that carry oxygen. Okay, moving to the second, another word here, arterio or angio. We have referred to the arteries. Example for that, arteriosclerosis. Arterio mean arteries, sclerosis mean hardening. The meaning of arteriosclerosis, hardening of the arterial walls. Another one like angioplasty, another example, angioplasty. Angio mean vessels. Artery or veins. So we talk about angio here, could be vein, could be artery. Plasty means surgical repair. Angioplasty mean procedure to open narrowed or blocked blood vessels. Okay, moving to the next slide, veno or vena, refer to the veins or venous structure. And the example for that, venography. Venography mean imaging of the vein. Okay, veno stand for veins and graphy recording or imaging. Venography mean imaging of veins. Fasciculo refer to the blood vessels, or refer to the vascular system. We have fasciculitis. When we have itis at the end, mean inflammation, and fasciculo refer to the blood vessels. So fascular inflammation mean inflammation of blood vessels. Fasciculitis. Venography. Okay, musculo here refer to the muscles such as musculoskeletal. Muscle, skeletal refer to the skeleton, here pertaining to the muscles and the skeleton. MSK, musculoskeleton. Myo or sarco refer to the muscles or muscular tissues. Myo or sarco. myopathy, we have myostand muscles. Pathy stands for the disease. Meaning of myopathy, disease of muscle tissue. And this myopathy reminds us with the medication may cause myopathy, such as statin, atorvastatin, simvastatin. Sarcomere, sarcomere muscles, mere mean part. Sarcomere, the structure or unit of the muscle fiber. A skeleton refer to the skeleton or bones, skeletal muscles. Example for skeletal muscles. Skeleton means skeleton or bones. Skeletal muscle, like muscle attached to the bone for movement. Osteo refer to the bones. Example, osteoporosis. Osteo mean bone. Porosis mean boros. And the meaning of osteoporosis, a condition where bone become brittle and fragile. Here we talk about elderly people, for example, or women after menopause, and there is a risk of osteoporosis, risk of bone fractures. Okay, cyto or cyst or site. Cyto or site refer to the cells or cellular structure. Example, cytology. And cyto means cell. Here when we talk about cytology. Logy, study of. Cytology is a study of cells. Cytology. This is a prefix. When you talk about suffix, erythrocyte. Erythro means blood cells, and cyte means cells. Erythrocyte, red blood cells. Okay, hemio here refer to the body or the maintaining balance. So example for homeostasis, hemio body, and stasis here say to the balance. Homeostasis, the body's ability to maintain internal stability. Homeostasis. Okay, cephallo refer to the head. Cephaloplegia. Cephalo here head, and elegia mean pain, and the meaning of cephaloplegia, headache. We have another maybe terminology. Cephaloplegia, plegia mean pain. Then we're moving to the cerv. Cerv refers to the neck. Example of cervical spine. So here cerv refer to the neck. And when you talk about cervical spine, here we talk about the portion of the spine and the neck region. So cervical spine, we talk about spine and the neck region. Okay, thoraco refer to the chest. And example for thoracotomy mean chest incision there, chest incision. And what happened with the meaning of thoracotomy, surgical incision into the chest cavity. Okay, moving to the abdominal. Abdominal refer to the abdominal region. Abdominal. Example, abdominoplasty. Abdominal here. Abdominal mean abdomen. Plasty means surgical repair. Abdominoplasty means surgical reshaping of the abdomen. Okay, pelvimetry. The meaning of pelvi mean pelvis and refer to the pelvis, and metry measurement, and pelvimetry refer to the measurement of the pelvic dimension. Peritonitis. Periton refer to the peritoneum. Itis mean inflammation, and that peritonitis meaning inflammation of the peritoneal lining. Derm refer to the skin. Dermatitis, example for that. Dermatitis, derm means skin. Itis mean inflammation of the skin. Okay, neuro refer to the nerves. Example, neurology. Neuro mean nerve. Neurology means study. Neurology mean the study of nervous system. Okay. Moving to the second part of the prefixes 2, we are going to speak about neck, thoracic organ prefixes. Here we have thyro, refer to the thyroid gland, and the example thyroidectomy here. Thyro means thyroid, ectomy means surgical removal. The meaning of thyroidectomy means surgical removal of thyroid gland. Tracheo refer to the tracheal. The example of tracheotomy. Okay, I will repeat this one again. Trachea or tracheotomy. Tracheotomy mean trachea mean tracheo mean trachea. Tomy mean incision. Incision here. The meaning of tracheotomy means surgical incision into the tracheal to create an airway. Tracheotomy. Okay, esophagitis, isovago mean esophagus, itis mean inflammation, and esophagitis mean inflammation of the esophagus. Esophagitis, inflammation of the esophagus. Okay, we have another example here. Thymectomy. Thymectomy means thymo mean thymus. Ectomy surgical removal, meaning surgical removal of thymus gland. Thymectomy. Okay. Mastectomy. Masto mean breast. Ectomy surgical removal of the breast. Mastectomy. Pneumonia. Pneumo mean lung. I mean a condition, pneumonia, meaning of the pneumonia, inflammation or infection of the lungs. So this is the few slides about neck, thoracic organ prefixes. We move to some example of abdominal organ prefixes. We have gastro, example for gastritis. The gastro refer to the stomach. Itis, inflammation. Gastritis refer to inflammation of the stomach lining. Speaking about hepato refer to the liver, and example hepatomegaly. Already you learn about hepato mean the liver, megaly mean enlargement. Hepatomegaly mean enlargement of the liver. Cholecysto refer to the gallbladder. Cholecystectomy refer to the bladder, and ectomy refer to the surgical removal. Cholecystectomy refer to the removal of the gallbladder. Spleno refer to the spleen, and example of spleno is the splenectomy or splenomegaly. Splenectomy, splenectomy, spleno stand for spleen. Ectomy, surgical removal. The meaning of splenectomy, surgical removal of spleen. Okay, another prefixes. Here we talk about pancreatitis. When you speak about pancreas, itis, we talk about inflammation. Pancreatitis means inflammation of the pancreas. Pancreato, refer to the pancreas. Adreno, refer to the adrenal gland. And this gland located above of the kidneys in right and left side of the human bodies. Adreno. Adrenopathy mean the disease of adrenal gland. Adrenopathy. Adreno mean gland. Adrenal gland. Pathy mean disease. Adrenopathy. And the meaning of adrenopathy meaning the disease of the adrenal gland. Okay, moving to the next prefixes regarding to the abdominal organ. We have nephro, related to the kidney, and example for nephrolithiasis. Nephro mean kidney, lithiasis means stone formation. When you talk about nephrolithiasis, here we are talking about kidney stone formation. Enterio refer to the intestine. Enteritis mean inflammation of the intestine. Enterio mean enteritis, and itis mean inflammation of the intestine. Enteritis. Okay, colo refer to the colon or large intestine. And here we have example for colonoscopy. Colonoscopy mean viewing or examining, and procedure, colonoscopy meaning a procedure to visually examine the colon, colonoscopy. And this procedure now is recommended by CDC for anybody above 40 or 45 years, and before was 50 years to start colonoscopy as a preventive procedure to protect from colon cancer.